Stop. If you thought getting rich in quantum computing meant grinding through a PhD in physics and learning Qiskit code for years, you've been misled. The fastest, most direct path to a six-figure salary in the quantum revolution is to ignore the code entirely. Right now, companies like IBM, IonQ, and Rigetti are failing not because the tech is hard, but because they can't find people to bridge the gap. That gap is where the money is. I found 5 non-technical quantum roles that can easily pay $150,000 or more. Day for role number 3, it's the one you can start preparing for from your couch. Look, the biggest challenge isn't building the quantum computer. It's figuring out what the heck to do with it and then selling that idea to a corporate client. That's a pure business problem, not a science problem. Every single role on this list is a translator, a person who turns confusing quantum physics into predictable business value. This makes you essential, highly compensated, and insulated from the technical learning curve. Role 1, Quantum Product Manager, QPM. The QPM is your first high-value target. The job is simple: define what to build. A scientist might invent a groundbreaking algorithm, but the QPM has to ask, does this solve the finance team's risk model faster, or is it just cool tech? They own the roadmap, the user feedback, and the go-to-market strategy. They rarely touch code. Your pathway in: companies are poaching experienced product managers from traditional tech. Your superpower is understanding the customer's problem, not the qubit state. Learn the capabilities of Qiskit or PennyLane conceptually. Don't code, just know what they can and can't do for an end user. Salary, easily up to $180,000 plus in major US tech hubs. Role 2, Quantum Business Consultant. This is the high-paid gunslinger. A giant pharma company knows quantum is coming, but they have no idea if they should invest $5 million or $50 million. They hire you. The consultant translates a company's legacy problems, like drug simulation or supply chain optimization, into potential quantum use cases. You're not programming, you're drawing diagrams, building pitch decks, and generating ROI forecasts. Your pathway in: if you have an MBA or experience in finance, logistics, or healthcare consulting, you already have the core skills. Your job is to learn the 5 to 6 proven quantum use cases: optimization, simulation, chemistry. That's it. The pay: consultants are paid by the project or the day, often commanding $2,000 to $5,000 daily rates. Role 3, Ecosystem and Partnerships Manager, the lowest barrier to entry, transition spike. Okay, this is the one you can jump on right now. Quantum is a tiny industry. It grows through collaboration. The ecosystem manager's job is pure networking, connecting the hardware startup with the cloud provider, or the university lab with the government grant agency. It's all about relationships, community building, and soft skills. Crucially, this is the skill set you are developing on this channel. You are an outreach specialist right now. Your pathway in: start a quantum news, host a local QC meetup, or simply be the most active, helpful non-coder on LinkedIn. Your public-facing effort is literally building your portfolio for this high-demand role, where companies are desperate for people who can talk and connect. The pay, while varied, these roles are crucial for seed-stage startups and can include equity, pushing potential compensation far past the $150,000 mark as the company scales. Quantum Policy and Government Affairs Lead. This is the serious, high-stakes money. Quantum computing is dual-use technology, meaning it's critical for both commercial and military applications. Countries are rushing to set national security policies, funding grants, and export controls. The policy lead manages the company's relationship with governments, ensures compliance, and advocates for funding. They need legal, political, and compliance expertise. No coding needed. Your pathway in: if you have any background in law, public policy, or compliance, this niche is severely understaffed. Read the foundational national quantum strategies. This is a crucial role for corporate security. The pay: due to the political sensitivity and high-level engagement, these roles are frequently above $200,000. Quantum Application Specialist, Analyst. The final high pair is all about domain knowledge. You don't program the quantum computer, but you know your industry better than anyone. Think, a healthcare veteran who understands clinical trials better than a physicist. The application specialist works with the QPM, role number 1, to make sure the quantum solution actually solves a real industry problem. You are the voice of the customer. Your pathway in: don't chase a quantum degree. Become an expert in one of the primary quantum impact areas: pharma R&D, financial risk, or logistics. Then learn enough about quantum to talk shop. Your industry expertise is the rare commodity. The pay: these domain experts are the link between millions in R&D and billions in profit, making them essential and typically paid $100,000 to $180,000. There they are, 5 ways to enter the most exciting, well-funded industry in the world without writing a single line of code. The demand is so high that your soft skills are now the hardest skills to find. The question now is, which companies are hiring for these roles? I've compiled the initial list of 20 companies actively looking for non-technical talent right now. To unlock that list, you need to do two things. 1. Smash the like and subscribe buttons, that's your payment for this high-value insight. 2. Drop a comment below right now and tell me which of the 5 roles you are targeting. Your engagement is how we tell the algorithm to show you the next step in your quantum journey. Go subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video with that company list.